shoes on. I can't get too close, so melt.
I know it's.
Like an old baby.
We got dueling fireworks here.
Oh,
Hey, did you see? Never mind. I didn't take her this far. She was devastating. Her and Sarah, yeah.
you know what, Grandma? I think I will have a marshmallow. Okay, here's your stick. All right, thanks.
There's a marshmallow.
Grandma, don't talk with your mouth full. Big old marshmallow.
Did you guys see the moon tonight?
Yeah, I was looking at it through the camera.
When I went up, I don't want to see your moon. When I went up to get the drinks, it's a full moon tonight. Where is it?
Pretty.
I didn't see it.
It is beautiful.
Great. My husband's gonna get home.
That's what I was trying to show him on the dock there. I don't know if you really saw it, but I zoomed in with this high-power zoom here, and you can see the craters and everything on the moon. Yeah, it's pretty cool. This is the best $200 I ever spent.
There goes some more. Really big.
You know, it's pretty funny, all these adults over here making s'mores and the kids don't want anything
Yeah.
to do with it.
They just don't know what they're missing. Marshmallow. Graham crackers. Candy bar.
I'm fine.
Sat down, he went to pull the chair out. You wouldn't be beaver, aren't you? Got the woodchuck.
Did you?
Well, I didn't. The guy who set the trap did last night about 5:30, I guess. Yeah, he was chunky. He'd been eating everything on sight.
This spring I did all the yard work up here.
Oh, it was. Well, remember the year that Cammy came up with this yard work?
We never asked her to do it again.
She didn't ask you to do it that day.
I wasn't asked. I just said, oh, I'm going to pick these weeds and get them out of here.
Did they?
Oh,
I think
you do?
Yeah.
I want balls.
Okie dokie.
She didn't know when we were leaving. I didn't tell her.
Oh, I think she was assuming. I don't know. I don't know when we're leaving. I don't know what we're doing. It's brown, Jamie. I'm getting it there. I'll give you a call.
Now, does Bill Clinton miss the White House? You bet. He talks to News 8. For the second time this week, a man is killed by an oncoming train. And how hard do Americans work? We have the answer, and a computer that translates sign language.